Discover Safari, and today we will be talking to you about the Goliath bird-eating spider. The spider measures 30 centimeters and eats birds, mammals, and lizards.
Goliath bird eaters are the world's longest-lived arthropods. They are quite interesting creatures and family to the well-known spider, the tarantula. They can be found in the dry forests of northern South America, but there are also many in captivity. In this clip, you can see the Goliath bird eater attacking and defeating a snake without even putting up a fight. To do this, it takes its leg-like fangs and inflicts a deadly bite that kills their prey almost instantly. At 30 centimeters long, they are quite intimidating. They even eat birds, reptiles, and mammals, which definitely adds on to the reasons why people are afraid of them. Stay tuned until after the commercial, where we will be talking about snakes.
It is. Guess what day it is? Huh? Anybody? Julie, hey, guess what day it is? Oh, come on, I know you can hear me. Mike. What day is it, Mike? Leslie, guess what today is?
It's hump day.
Woo-woo!
Ronnie, how happy are folks who save hundreds of dollars switching to Geico? I'd say happier than a camel on Wednesday.
Hump day!
Get happy. Get Geico. 15 minutes could save you 15% or more.
Welcome back to Discover Safari. Snakes live throughout most of the world. Most live in warm climates near the equator. Some live on land, some in trees, others underground, and still others in water. Snakes like to live in damp, dark, cool places where food is richly supplied, like under junk piles, flower beds with heavy mulch, crawl spaces under houses, etc. Snakes are carnivorous reptiles, which means they all eat animals. There aren't any vegetarian snakes. Most of them feed on birds or rodents, which they kill with venom or squeeze to death. Snakes also eat eggs. Many species of snakes have skulls with plenty of joints, enabling them to swallow prey much larger than their heads with their highly mobile jaws. A snake's body is much different than any other animal's. A snake's backbone is made up of many vertebrae which are attached to the ribs. Humans have around 33 vertebrae and 24 ribs. Snakes have between 200 and 400 vertebrae with as many ribs attached. This is what makes them so flexible and help them move along. Snakes use their strong body muscles to move in different ways. Many snakes move forward in a straight line by gripping the ground as they go. Others bunch their bodies together, straighten them out, and then pull themselves forward, which is called bunching. The world looks different to a snake. Snakes don't see as well as we do, and they don't have ear holes, so they can't hear like we do either. Snakes have other senses that seem almost magical. They can hear vibrations from the ground using the bones in their jaws. A snake can sense your approaching footsteps long before you see it. To figure out where you are, it uses each side of its jaw to compare the vibrations, just like we compare the sounds we hear with each ear. Come back next week for another episode of Discover Safari.